How to turn on screen mirroring in iPhone. For you to do that, let's head over to the Settings app. Now you want to scroll down and head over to General. Here you'll see the option of AirPlay and Hand Off. Go ahead and select that option. Now at the very top you can see Automatically AirPlay. You want to head over there and you want to switch it to Ask instead of Automatic. Make sure that Never is not selected. Here again you want to make sure that the toggle for Hand Off is enabled. Now again come back to the Settings page. This time right under General you can see Control Center. You want to head over there. You want to locate the screen mirroring option from here. All you have to do is click on the plus icon right beside it to add it as one of your controls. After you click on the plus icon, then you want to choose the desired device from the list to connect and enable screen mirroring. So that is how you successfully turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.